We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. The whole pasture is full of robins and red-winged blackbirds. Like, I have never seen so many of either. That's crazy. Alright, so today we are going to try to stand this fence up, and the union between the two pieces is right there. Alright, we have it semi-standing. We still have to attach it right here, and we have it up and attached at the very top of the new posts, majority of the way. This section right here isn't attached to anything, but it's getting close. It's pretty exciting. So he's trimming off the ends and getting ready to put the gripples on. You're getting ready to gripple it.
Gripple it. Gripple it just a little bit. Okay, got that for you.
Thank you.
It's like a little left on mine. Good. All right, let's see what we can do. That should all be up off the ground now.
Yes. Remember how to use your gripple.
Get your arm caught.
Da, 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 da. So we learned by accident or by good fortune, I don't know, that a cake tester will release your gripple so you can move it from one side to the next. So it's pretty funny. We have a cake tester that we use. Yep. We keep it in our fencing equipment. It even has a sheath that we put it in because it's highly regarded.
Yep.
It's an integral part of fencing. Well, they sell a tool that does that. So if you have a cake tester, just use your cake tester.
Yeah.
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 And these are actually not cake testers. They came in a Nothing Bundt Cakes cupcake or something that had a tag on the top of it. So I have a couple of them. So should we lose this one, we have another. And I still have a cake tester in the kitchen. Releasing the tension, and I'm standing back. I'll be over here if in case you need me. I think it's the shoes that make those weird noises.
Could be.
We've been joking that there's a leprechaun over there. There's some really weird noises.
On the other side, we had so little left, it's already loose.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's not good.
What? What happened?
Huh?
Oh, you got that thing.
That thing broke. Broke. I gotta bend it. I gotta rebend it. Here, that's not the time.
Not the time.
Not the time, since I got my fingers right there.
It's supposed to go underneath.
Exactly. I gotta bend it back straight now. Okay. Now, the ultimate test.
Why am I over here?
I don't know.
I'm scaring you? You're scaring me. You stop it.
All right. There we go.
Yay. Now you just gotta finish attaché in it.
Yep.
Attaché in it. Attaché.
You know what this is right here? Major crippleization.
Bullshit. Alright, I went around and I put the T-post clips all up. There's going to be 4 per post. And now he's down there using the drill to put them on. It's a pretty nifty setup.
Uh-huh.
It just twists them all up, makes them look all nice. Automatically cuts the end off.
Unless that happens.
Unless that happens. As soon as we get this done,
On to the next.
then we have a special project.
What's the special project?
Well,
They're all special projects.
they're all special. But, so that H-frame down there, right there, there's another fence that's going to go right here. And it creates a lane, a 5-foot lane. We don't have this fence up yet because we wanted to put this fence up first. But anyway, that hole down there, that gap between the H-frame and the side fence where the lane will be, we're going to cover that up with a cattle panel just temporarily, and then we can let the dogs in here simply by opening that gate right there. And they don't know it, but now they're going to have twice, well, probably 3 times as much space to run around, because that paddock's actually the smaller than this one. So that'll be fun.
Yep.
Then after this, we still have to attach it to the pipe posts. And then we're gonna run.
So, what was it? A couple of years ago, we did one of these. Was it the 2-acre?
The 2-acre. It's still not
Yeah.
attached.
Yeah, we put the poles in, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, we didn't actually attach it. I think we attached it since then.
Have we?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I'm not sure that it is.
I believe so.
But we're also going to run a barbed wire across here.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna run a single strand of barb here and a single strand of barb on the 5-acre fence because the horses keep leaning over it. I straightened it all out yesterday. It wasn't fun. This is the opening for the lane that'll run all along here. But we are going to temporarily block it so that we can let the dogs in here. Temporarily.
Temporarily. Emperor-terririly.
Emperor. I got these things stuck in my belt loop because I had to change the battery in the camera, and now I can't get them out of my belt loop. There. Okay. So we have a cattle panel. We're just gonna staple it to this post and attach it to this T-post with T-post wire. Because we have 2 gates into here. Well, actually 3. So, I mean, it's going to be kind of a pain that we can't walk through here anymore, but it's alright. chest puppy.